Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or better yet, your channel. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the location and firing order of the cylinders on a 2005 to 2008 Ford Expedition 5.4-liter engine. Here we have a very clear example of an engine from that vehicle. To figure out the location and firing order of the cylinders, the first thing we need to do is stand in front of the car, open the hood, and look toward the front of the engine. The location and order are as follows. On the left side are cylinders 1, 2, 3, and 4, and on the right side are cylinders 5, 6, 7, and 8. The left side is the passenger side. The right side is the driver's side. Like I mentioned before, as long as you're standing in front of the vehicle, that would be your left and this would be your right. The firing order would be as follows. First, cylinder number 1 fires, which is the one near the radiator on the left side. Next, cylinder number 3 fires. Then cylinder number 7 fires. After that, cylinder number 2 fires. Then cylinder number 6 fires, which is on the right side, on the driver's side. Next, cylinder number 5 fires, which is on the right side, near the radiator. Then cylinder number 4 fires, which is on the left side, near the windshield. And finally, cylinder number 8 fires, which is on the right side, on the driver's side. Well, folks, I don't have anything else to say. See you in the next video tutorial. See you soon.